Hello guys! Today is Thursday. Kami ni David ay out and about because as you know, annual leave ako this week. So meron tayong mga days to go around and do some chores and buy some stuff na kailangan sa bahay. So, ano bang agenda today? Today is pupunta kami ni David sa Primark. First is kailangan namin maghanap ng costume for Light kasi next week meron silang activity sa school na kailangan nilang mag-dress up traditionally kung saan sila galing na country. So of course from the Philippines. So, ang mahal kasi ng barong Tagalog dito. Siguro hindi masyadong madaming gumagamit. So like yung mga nagbibenta sa vintage, nakita ko super expensive. So tingnan natin kung we can just do a DIY na lang na costume for Light. So let's see kung anong mahanap natin. And then yung second agenda natin sa Primark is maghanap ng cute na mugs. Kasi Nurses Week na next week and then meron kaming mga pa-prize sa aming mga mini activities. So tingnan natin kung merong pasok sa budget. Then si David, birthday niya last week and isa sa wishlist niya is last week ba? Sorry, Monday pala. Yung isa sa wishlist niya is shoes. Sabay kaming bumili ng sapatos last 2024. So mga 2 years na tong sapatos namin. And obviously, gamit na gamit siya. So medyo worn out na yung mga sapatos namin. Ito yung akin. Tapos yung kay David. Medyo meron na siyang ano sa gilid. Damage na yung sapatos ni David. Isa yun sa wishlist niya. Kasi kapag birthday kaming dalawa, meron kaming wishlist sa isa't isa. So, ito ang isa sa wishlist niya. And then by the way, sa Saturday pala, mag-a-attend kami ng baby shower for one of our friends. Ang theme kasi is wear something pink. Si David at si Light, wala silang something pink. So, hanapan natin sila ng something pink today for Saturday. Yan, let's go guys. Magbabas lang kami ni David. Got our coffee. Sobrang daming construction dito. I don't know why. Okay naman yung daan. It's so sunny. Ganito sagot ko. Parang gusto kong iayusin yung buhok ko, guys. Summer. Ha? Hi guys, nandito ako ngayon sa dressing room ng H&M. Ito pala ang suot ko today. Very basic and simple lang. Actually, super init sa labas guys. It's 20 degrees. So, nainitan na nga ako kasi long sleeve pala tong suot ko. Kasi in the morning, medyo mahangin. So, medyo malamig. Pero ngayon, hindi na masyadong malamig. Medyo mainit na. Anyways, as I mentioned, this Saturday, mag-attend kami ng baby shower ng friend ko. And then, nakabili na kami ng something pink for Light and the bead. Yung akin naman guys, Ito yung mga nakita ko na could work. So, ito, very nice na pastel pink na pants. Tapos, ito naman, kung medyo summery ang vibe, meron silang shorts na ganyan. And then, I saw this very cute dress. Ayan. So, let's try these three and see which one works. Ayan. Okay yung fit niya. Medyo maluwang siya. I think size 6 would be a bit too small for me. Pero, it's very comfortable. Gusto ko yung length niya. Very perfect. Kasi 5 feet lang ako. Kunin ko ba? Hapusan kasi ako, guys. Kaya ganyan ang side view niya. But, parang gusto ko siya, guys. What do you think? Straight cut ba to? Or flare ba to? Hindi ko alam. Ito naman yung shorts, guys. I think it's too see-through for me. Hindi ko siya masyadong bet. Try na natin yung dress. Sobrang cute niya. Gusto ko yung length niya. Iba yung kulay sa screen sa actual color ng dress because of the light dito sa gilid. It's not tight dito sa front area. Very comfy. Ayan siya in the side. Let's see. Good morning, guys. Today is May 7 and it's currently 9:27 in the morning. Guys, grabe. In the last couple days, sobrang busy ko. Kasi yesterday, May 6 to 12 is actually International Nurses Week and I'm part of the organizing team sa unit namin. I've been so busy thinking about what little fun activities we can do. Gusto din namin mag-decorate konti sa unit namin. So, medyo na busy ako doon. And also, at the same time, today, merong activities sila sa school na International Day. So, they're actually celebrating yung cultural diversity. Pinasuot sila ng costume from their country. Pumunta pa kami ni David sa fabric store the other day ba yun? To find like a tela na magagamit ko to make a DIY costume for light. Kasi guys, sobrang mahal ng mga barong dito ng mga bata kasi hindi naman siya available sa mga stores dito unlike sa atin. Yung barong, di ba kasi yun yung mabilis. Pero when I looked it up sa online or like sa Vinted, ang mamahal, mga one barong is like 30 to 50 pounds. Tapos isang beses lang niyang gagamitin. So I'm like, no, we're not doing that. So, ang ginawa ko na lang is, bumili na lang ako ng tela. So, overall, 10 pounds yung nagastos ko sa tela and sa yung parang gold na parang lace ba yun. Anyways, we made it naman, guys. Ayan yung costume ni Light. Kita niyo ba? Pinicturean ko siya kaninang umaga. If you're new to this vlog, hello, hi, welcome to the vlog. A little backstory why ganito yung costume niya is because I wanted it to be like Lapu-Lapu inspired. If you're familiar with Lapu-Lapu, he's actually a hero where I come from. I'm from Cebu. So sabi ko, okay, fine. Dapat Lapu-Lapu yung costume niya. Gusto ko sanang gumawa ng cardigan. Pero guys, limited lang ang aking stitching skills. Ang tagal ko lang hindi nagtatahi. Parang kailangan ko atang i-relearn ng aking stitching skills. Gusto ko sana meron siyang parang cardigan. Pero anyways, we made it work and I'm happy siya sa costume niya. Mamaya at 2:30, I'm going to bring lumpia sa school because part of the activity is if you want to bring like, you know, food from your mother country. Hindi ako masyadong confident sa cooking skills ko, especially kung may ibang taong kakain. So, sabi ko, ano ba yung pwede kong lutuin? So, ultimately, ang aking naisip is lumpia. So, binilihan ako ni David kahapon ng lumpia wrapper sa Filipino store. Pero, yun lang ang ingredient ko so far. So, I need to go out later sa Lidl to buy the rest of the ingredients. Kasi konti na lang ata ang oil namin. Hindi na to kasya mag-fry ng lumpia. So, the goal for today is dapat mga around 1 o'clock magpiprito na ako. Or, yeah, magsa-start na akong magluto. Kasi 2:30 dapat ihatid ko na dun yung pagkain. And meron silang activity din na pwedeng mag-attend yung parents. So, sobrang busy ng ate niya this week. Guys, parang nagka-pimple ako sa sobrang busy ko this week. Dahil sa anxiety and stress. Pero anyways, magkakapilang muna ako. Ayan, nakita ko may binili pala si David na cup noodles. So, ito na lang muna ang kakainin ko for breakfast. Ayan. rest of my oat milk, guys. Kailangan natin bumili ng bagong oat milk. If you watch Chinese dramas or K-dramas like me, ano ba yung pinapanood nyo ngayon? Kasi ako, ang pinapanood ko ngayon na K-drama is yung Perfect Crown, which is very, very sikat ngayon. Bago lang siya, nasa Disney Plus. So, yun ang pinapanood ko. Pero wala pang new episode, guys. Ito yung pinapanood ko ngayon, which is maganda din siya. Yung lalaki is yung actor from Hidden Love. Tapos yung babae, first time ko siya makita sa isang drama. She's actually quite good as well. So, nasa parang episode 18 na ata ako. Just gonna have my coffee and then yung noodles ko. And then, I might do a little bit of work kasi merong mga konting things na kailangan i-print para dun sa aming Nurses Week. So, I'm gonna do that. And then, we're gonna buy na our ingredients for the lumpia later. Hi guys, I'm here sa therapy clinic and I'm here for my 4th appointment. So, tapos na siya. Actually, kasama ko si David. Sinamahan niya ako. After this, we're just gonna go to Primark kasi meron daw siyang titingnan na shorts. Parang nakabuild na ako ng tolerance. 1/10 lang siya. So, I'm really happy and hindi na nag-grow yung hair. Hopefully, ma-achieve natin ang ating kilikili goals by the end of this treatment. I think I still have 3 more if I'm not mistaken. So, I'll come back again in 4 weeks' time. So cute. Kani digital watch. Awabi o pencil case nga na calculator. Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday. It's May 16 and it's currently 10:45 in the morning. I was just about to make myself a cup of coffee, and you already know kapag Saturday, it means na the next day I'm already working long days. So this May, I actually changed my set shifts from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Yung 3 straight na long days ko, I changed it to Sunday, Monday, and then off na ako ng Tuesday, and then Wednesday again. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng konting break in the middle because I felt like it was really getting to me, my 3 long days, and I've been doing that schedule for almost 5 years na. So I thought it's time for a little change. I'm just preparing my coffee. You want some hot choco? What happened to your boss? Okay, that's good. You want hot choco?
My throat's so itchy.
How about you drink some water? Here. Do you want some bread?
My t-shirt is blue.
Okay, Mama will make you hot choco. You like hot choco? Let me make a cup of coffee and then let me update you of what has happened in the last 2 weeks. So yun nga, Nurses Week, and then I also attended my friend's baby shower. So, meron akong friend since college, nandito din siya sa UK. We did a surprise baby shower for her. So, simple lang naman. We went to their house and then kumain kami, of course. So, she's having a baby girl. So, it's really fun and exciting. Ano pa ba ang nangyari? Parang feeling ko ang daming nangyari sa buhay ko in the last 2 weeks, guys. And then kahapon, we went to my friend's daughter birthday party. Nakaidaran lang din nila. Malapit lang yung bahay nila. Dito lang sa tapat ng bahay namin. We went there yesterday. We had so much fun. Naglaro kami. Every time yung Filipino community here, which is like usually yung aking friends at work, yung mga katrabaho ko, or like friends from college, every time we meet here, nagi-games kami. Nag-games kami last night ng game na tinatawag na Tabu. First time ko yung laruin sa Amazon Prime siya na game. Sobrang saya. Wala na pala kaming white sugar, guys. So, ito na lang. Meron kaming brown sugar. Ito na lang munang gagamitin ko. Kasi talaga, yesterday, plano talaga namin ni David mag-grocery before kami pumunta dun sa birthday party. Naubos yung time namin kakahintay sa mag-aayos ng aming wifi. Kasi merong problem yung wifi namin. Parang nag-slow down yung internet namin. After that, medyo naglinis pa ako, naligo pa ako. So, parang wala na kaming time mag-grocery. Pero anyways, pwede naman mag-grocery si David tomorrow. Today, mag-chill lang ako. Sobrang daming activities in the last 2 weeks. Yung katawan ko, parang I'm so tired. Alam mo yun. So, mag-chill lang tayo today, guys. And also, manonood ako ng Crown Prince ba yun? Kasi merong bagong episode. 12 episodes lang ata yun, guys. Ayun yung last episode niya. So, of course, we're gonna watch that. I really, really like the drama. And then, I need to catch up with my TikTok as well. Kasi wala na akong upload, guys. Meron akong mga products here that I need to like make content about. Kasi if you don't know, I have a TikTok account. If you wanna follow me, I also post yung mga nurse life, mostly about inspiration, education, and also I like skincare, particularly Korean skincare. So I post a lot of Korean skincare reviews over there. So if you are interested in that, give me a follow sa TikTok. Feeling ko meron na nga akong na-miss na deadline. Pero ganun talaga ang buhay, guys. Minsan, madaming nangyayari sa buhay mo and then you miss a couple of things, pero it's okay. We'll try and catch up on those things in a bit. Oh, parang I need more sugar. Hi guys, it's already 6 p.m. and ayan, nahahang ko na yung mga kailangan isampay. Tapos, mamaya, I'm going to find my scrubs. Kasi itong mga nilabhan ko before is white sila. So, hindi ko ma-mix yung scrubs ko. So, I'm gonna wash my scrubs later. I-quick wash ko lang siya. And then, meron naman kaming dryer. So, that's fine. Meanwhile, I'm having my second cup of coffee for the day. Ang ginawa ko, guys, minix ko lang yung decaf na coffee sa Bear Brand. Parang kapigatas siya. Mahilig kasi ako sa kapigatas dati when I was still a kid. Nag-order lang din ako ng Jollibee kasi walang maluluto. Hindi nga kami nakapag-grocery ni David kahapon. Later, pag uwi ni David, he's gonna drop by sa Lidl para bumili ng mga pwedeng maluto for tomorrow and then we can have a proper grocery on Tuesday kapag off na ako. And nag-order ako ng burger kasi nagutom ako, guys. Nag-order din ako ng bucket of yung 6 pieces na chicken, yung burger with cheese. Ito yung binili ko, 1 for me, 1 for Light. And then for tomorrow's baon ko for breakfast. And nag-order din ako ng fries kasi gusto ni Light ng fries. And then isang, hindi yung peach mango, yung bago nila yung ube na may coconut. Medyo dry lang siya compared sa normal natin na ganito sa Pilipinas. Ayan, ito yung 6 pieces na chicken nila, 1 bucket. Okay naman. Different parts naman siya. ube coconut pie. And then, yung chips ni Light, gigisingin ko na siya. Dalawang burger kasi kinain ko na yung isa. I received a notification sa period calendar ko na app na luteal phase ko daw today. So, that explains why I'm feeling extra hungry today. Kasi kapag nasa luteal phase ka daw, medyo gutom ka talaga. What you doing? What are you looking for?
The block, so I blocked the truck.
Okay. Ayaw pa niyang mag-dinner, guys. So, while waiting for the maid from work, tutupuin ko muna yung mga... Tadaan! Ilang days na to sa bed namin, guys. Tina-transfer lang from our bed to there, from there to here. At ngayong gabi ay itatakol na natin ang ating mga clothes na kailangang tupiin. Of course, pag may ginagawa akong chore, kailangan may panoorin ako para syempre hindi tayo maboard. So, nanonood ako ng Ang Tanong by Tony.